Okay, hello, Thian.
Hello,
Hello. Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
Again?
I'm fine.
You are fine. Okay, so how is the weather today?
Uh, it's very sunny.
Wow, very sunny. So, if it is very sunny, what do we need to bring?
Sunglasses?
Okay, sunglasses. What else?
Hmm, I don't know.
Okay, so you need sunglasses. Okay, so now let's read our topic for today.
I love the big lake.
Okay, I love the big lake. Okay, do you know what is lake?
No,
Okay, so this is a lake. Okay, teacher Kai will show you a lake. It is a body of water. It is a body of water. Lake. Okay. This is a lake. Okay. It is in between a mountain. Okay, Tian?
okay.
Okay, so what is this again? This is a
And lake?
a lake. Have you ever tried or experienced going to a lake?
No,
No. Okay. But in Germany, there a lake?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay. So, wait for a minute. 80392. Okay, wait for a minute, Tian. Okay, so now what do we mean again by big? Big means
Uh,
very large.
very big?
Yes, very big. It is the opposite of small, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let's have this one. What do you love about the park? Do you know what is park?
Park?
Yes, do you know what is park?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you love about the park?
A plant?
Okay, uh, you love the park because of the plant? Hello, Tian?
Hello?
Okay, so what do you love about the park?
Plant? A plant? I
Again,
love the plant.
you love the plant. Okay. How about do you love the park because you can play many things? You can play in the park?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So now let's have this one. Let's read this one, Tian.
Uh, colorful,
Yes, okay, colorful. So what is colorful? It means having many colors. Okay, you can see many colors. That is colorful. Okay, Thian?
okay.
Okay, very good. So look at the picture. So what are the colors that you can see?
Purple, pink, yellow.
Okay, purple, pink, and yellow. So those are colorful.
Colorful flowers.
Yes, okay. Now let's have this one.
Uh, mm, large.
Yes, large. Okay, large is big. Let's read.
The large trees.
Okay, the large trees. So in there in Germany, Thian, do you see very large trees?
What is large?
Large is big, very big, large.
Yes.
Okay. So let's have this one. We have,
Lake.
yes, okay, lake. Let's read I love.
I love the big lake.
Okay, I love the big lake. Now this one, Tian.
Grass.
Okay, let's read I love.
I love the green grass.
Okay, now Tian, I love is also we can use I like. Okay, you can also say I like the green grass or I love the green grass. Okay, Tian?
Okay.
Okay, it's almost the same. Now, this one we have.
I love the small hills.
Okay, do you know what is hills?
Yes.
Very good. So, hills are mountains that are smaller. They are smaller than the mountains. So, that is hills. Okay?
Eh, this is the mountain.
Yeah, okay. And where's the hill?
Here.
Okay, let's see. Mountain versus the hills. Okay, let's see. Okay, can you see the picture at the end?
Yes.
Okay. Can you clearly see the difference between the mountain and the hill?
Yes.
Okay, look. The mountain are very large. They are very big, while the hills are smaller than the mountain, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay. In Germany, what do you often see? Mountain or hills?
Hills.
Oh, okay. So Germany has many hills?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now this one's the end. Let's read
Beautiful.
again.
Beautiful.
Okay, beautiful. Do you know what is beautiful?
Yes.
Okay, beautiful
Yes.
means
Uh, it's beautiful.
Okay, beautiful. Beautiful means very great to see. It's very wonderful. It's very pretty, right?
Yes.
Okay, so look at the picture. Can you describe this picture, Thien?
There is a purple flower. There is a there is um there is a pink flower and there's a yellow flower.
Okay, so when there are many colors, you will say,
Rainbow.
okay, colorful. Okay, when you see many colors, you will say colorful. Okay, Tian?
Okay.
Okay, so there are beautiful color and colorful flowers. Okay, I can see colorful and beautiful flowers. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's have this one, Tian. Let's compare the picture. This one and this one. Let's compare.
Yeah, black one.
Okay, hello, Tian. Number one. Let's compare.
What is compare?
Okay. Compare means you are going to say, like for example, teacher Kai is taller than Tian. So I am comparing, which means I am telling that I am taller than Tian. Okay, that is compare. Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So let's compare number one. The picture A flower and the picture B flower.
The um the picture a flower is yellow. The picture B is colorful.
Okay. So you can say that picture B flower is colorful than picture A.
Picture A.
Okay, that is way better. But you did great. Okay, now let's have this one.
The picture A is taller than picture B.
Okay, that is correct. And also, we can say that picture A is
Big,
okay, bigger.
bigger than a small tree.
Okay, bigger than the small tree. Okay. So let's have this one. Okay. Let's have A. What is this, Tian?
A lake.
Okay, a lake. So there are two lakes in the picture. Now let's compare the picture, Tian.
Mm, the lake is bigger than the I don't know what this is.
Okay, it is a stream. Stream. This one.
Stream?
Yeah, this one is stream. Okay, that is a stream. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Have you ever see a stream in Germany?
Yes.
Okay, so that is a stream. Now let's compare again.
Uh, the 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 lake is bigger than the stream.
Okay, very good. Now this one, okay, I don't know what is this place. This is a forest, I think. And this is the hill. Okay, let's compare the A and B then.
What is this?
I think that is a forest.
What is forest?
Oh, you forgot the forest? Do you still remember the jungle? Forest, jungle. This one then. Okay. Do you now remember the forest?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So let's have this one. Picture A and picture B. Let's compare.
And picture A is the mountains are taller and bigger, and picture B, um, the the jungle there are all uh there are many animals.
Okay, thank you for your wonderful answers, Yet. Okay, now in picture three, where is the green grass? Can you tell teacher Kai where is the green grass?
By picture B,
Okay, it's picture B. Very good, Tian. Okay, so now can you complete the sentence, Tian? One, two, and three.
I left the the um beautiful and colorful colorful flowers.
Okay, very good. Colorful flowers.
I like the large trees.
Very good. Number three.
They are so beautiful.
Okay, they are so beautiful. Very good, Tian. So now, how about this one?
It's uh
Okay, look at the bag. Is it ugly? Is it pretty?
pretty.
Okay, so what is another term about?
It's a it's a pretty bag.
Okay, it's a pretty bag, or also we can say it's a
A few bag.
beautiful.
A beautiful bag.
Okay, a beautiful bag. Very good. Okay, now number two, it's a blank elephant.
It's a blank elephant.
Yeah. What is the missing word?
It's a blank elephant.
Okay, is it this one, Tian? Look at the teacher Kai. Is it big or small?
Big.
Okay, big. So what is the other term for big? We have
Uh,
l
Small.
now l la. It's a it's a large
It's
elephant.
large elephant.
Okay, very good. Number three, we have
Uh, the books are mm, the books are uh,
the books are having many colors. What is that? Many colors.
uh, the books are uh, colorful.
Okay, very good. The books are colorful. Very good, Tian. Now this one, okay, look at the sentence pattern. What do you love about the park? Okay, so the answer was I love the big lake. It's so beautiful. Okay, now your turn, Tian. What do you love about the park?
I I I left the small hill.
Okay, I love the small hill. They are so.
That are so beautiful.
Okay, very good, Tian. Now, how about this one? What do you love about the park? Okay, look at the picture. The flowers are
Like the flower.
okay. Many colors. What do you say that? How do you say many colors? That is
Uh, they I left the flowers. They are so colorful.
okay. Very good. They are so colorful. Very good. Now, how about this one, Thien? What do you love about the park? Okay, let's start with this picture. This is a tree.
Tree.
Okay, so what do you love about the park?
Uh, they are trees.
They are trees. Okay, they are trees, but also they are what? They are?
Uh, I don't know.
What is the other term for big?
Small.
Okay, that is opposite. Teacher Kai is asking about big. So we can also say large. Big or large. Okay, Tian?
Okay.
Okay, I love the
I
park.
I left the park. It's large. There are large trees.
Okay, I love the large trees because they are so beautiful. Okay, Tian.
Okay.
Now this one.
I love the brown bird. It's so beautiful.
Okay, this one.
I love the green grass. It's so beautiful.
Yes, okay. Now, how about this one, Tian? Can you please describe this one? Do you love the beach?
Yes.
Okay, now can you say why do you love the beach?
Well, I can go swim.
Okay, you love the beach because you can go swim. Okay, now Tian, teacher Kai will say goodbye. Okay?
Bye.
Goodbye. Good, very good for today. Bye.